In this insightful video, we explore the importance of saving for retirement and dive into specific recommendations on how much you should contribute to your 401k based on your age. We discuss the advantages of starting early, the impact of compound interest, and provide practical examples and strategies for maximizing your retirement savings. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or beyond, this video will equip you with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions about your 401k contributions, ensuring a stronger financial foundation for your golden years. Don't miss out on this valuable guidance that can help shape your retirement savings journey. Around 66% of people in USA does not know what 401k is. Before we will explain it, please check how much money could you have if you maxed it out every year. By age of 45, you will have $5 million, and by age of 65 you could have more than $5 million. A 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by employers in the United States. It is named after the section of the Internal Revenue Code that governs its operation. The purpose of a 401k is to provide employees with a tax-advantaged way to save for retirement. With a 401k, employees can contribute a portion of their salary into the plan, and in some cases, employers may also make matching contributions. These contributions are typically made on a pre-tax basis, meaning they are deducted from the employee's paycheck before income taxes are applied. As a result, the contributions lower the employee's taxable income for the year, potentially reducing their overall tax liability. The funds contributed to a 401k are invested in a variety of financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or target date funds. The investment earnings within the 401k account are not subject to immediate taxes, allowing the funds to potentially grow tax-free until they are withdrawn during retirement. One significant advantage of a 401k is that contributions and earnings are tax-deferred. This means that individuals only pay taxes on the money when it is withdrawn from the account, typically during retirement. At that time, the withdrawals are subject to ordinary income tax rates. This tax deferral can provide a significant advantage as it allows the potential for greater growth of the invested funds over time. Additionally, many employers offer a matching contribution as part of their 401k plan. This means that for every dollar an employee contributes, the employer will contribute a certain percentage, up to a specified limit. Employer matching contributions are essentially free money that can boost the overall savings and investment growth potential within the 401k account. It's important to note that there are limits on how much individuals can contribute to their 401k each year, as determined by the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). These contribution limits are designed to ensure that 401k plans primarily benefit individuals for retirement savings rather than being used as short-term savings vehicles. While 401k plans are typically provided by employers, individuals can also open individual 401k accounts if they are self-employed or own a small business. These accounts, known as solo 401k or individual 401k plans, offer similar benefits and contribution limits as traditional 401k plans. Overall, a 401k is a valuable retirement savings tool that allows individuals to contribute pre-tax dollars, invest for potential growth, and potentially receive employer matching contributions, all while deferring taxes until retirement. It serves as a long-term financial vehicle to help individuals accumulate funds for a secure retirement. Those are the median and averages 401k account balance by age. If you are not anywhere near those values, you still have time to make a plan and stick to it. As we wrap up this video, remember that the key to a successful retirement is to start saving early and consistently. The age-based guidelines we discussed are just a starting point, and it's important to assess your individual circumstances, goals, and risk tolerance when determining your 401k savings targets. We encourage you to take action today. Consult with a financial advisor or use online retirement calculators to further refine your savings strategy. Regularly review and adjust your contributions as your income and life circumstances change. Remember, retirement planning is a journey, and it requires diligence and periodic reassessment. Stay informed about changes in tax laws, investment options, and retirement regulations to make the most of your 401k savings. By making smart choices now and being proactive about your financial future, You can build a robust nest egg that will provide security and freedom during your retirement years. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into 401k savings by age. We hope you found the information valuable and empowering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on personal finance, investing, and retirement planning. Remember, your retirement is in your hands. Start saving, stay focused, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're on the path to a financially secure future.